Hello, welcome to my channel. Focus on skills. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Appearance, non-verbal communication. Appearance is a significant element of non-verbal communication. It influences how others perceive and interact, even before any verbal communication takes place. Your appearance is a silent but powerful form of communication that shapes perceptions and interactions. It communicates first impressions without having said anything at all. Physical appearance is the first and the foremost important way to create an impact, and that's perceived through the visual senses. It includes the way you dress, colors that you choose, type of material of the cloth, accessories, hairstyle, makeup, and so on. Your clothes, posture, and facial expressions all communicate something, even when you don't say anything. You need to be realistic and honest with yourself about what fits your body and what doesn't. People often form initial judgments based on appearance before a word is spoken. Appearance has a multiple purpose: to attract or protect, to help you situate yourself within a certain role, to communicate mood, character, profession, position, or status. So, even if you don't care about your appearance, it will still greatly affect the impression you leave. Key aspects of appearance as non-verbal communication. Clothing. Clothing choices can communicate information about your culture, personality, mood, and even your financial status. A formal suit may convey professionalism, while casual attire might suggest a relaxed or informal setting. Grooming. Neat and tidy grooming can indicate attention to detail and self-respect. Hairstyle, makeup, and overall grooming habits can signal professionalism, social status, and personal style. Accessories, jewelry, handbags, and other accessories can further emphasize or alter the message conveyed by clothing and grooming. Posture. An upright, confident posture can suggest self-assurance and engagement. Facial expressions. Subtle changes in facial expressions, like a genuine smile or furrowed brow, communicate emotions and reactions. Physical attractiveness. Physical attractiveness can influence initial perceptions and interactions. People quickly form judgments based on appearance. Attractive people often receive more positive non-verbal cues like smiles and sustained eye contact. A sloppy appearance, messy hair, and wrinkled clothes send the message, "I don't care," while appropriate attire demonstrates the importance of the occasion. A tight dress with a low-cut neckline might appear attractive but doesn't convey the right message for a serious event. Anything tight, bright, short never create good impression. You need to wear what you are comfortable and confident with. But still, you need to understand that to have a unique personal brand, you need to stretch yourself beyond your comfort zone. What you wear or the way you wear it affects the way. When you feel good about yourself, it reflects in the way you carry yourself and interact with others. Your communication skills will be enhanced dramatically. A well-groomed and appropriately dressed individual may be perceived as more competent and reliable. Keep your body clean and odor-free and take care to maintain your teeth, breath, hair, hands, and nails. Dressing smartly, being clean and having good personal hygiene, and carrying yourself well is all part of making a strong first impression and appearing professional. For men, a polished appearance can suggest authority and leadership, while women's grooming and style choices can signal attention to detail and professionalism. Regardless of the work environment, it is important to dress professionally for a job interview. This will help guarantee that you make a great first impression. Before you say a single word to the interviewer, you have already made an impression based on your appearance. Professional attire can convey respect and seriousness, especially in formal settings. How you dress at the job may have very little to do with how you dress for an interview, as every company has a different dress code. When you first meet, employers will form an assessment based on what you are wearing and how you carry yourself. A polished appearance can convey confidence and professionalism, while a sloppy appearance may be interpreted negatively. The first impression you make on a potential employer is incredibly meaningful and important. Why a few selected people leave an impact on your mind although you meet them only once? It is because of their impressive appearance. Recognize that appearance extends beyond mere aesthetics and is deeply connected to social identity, professional image, and overall communication. Presenting yourself well can boost self confidence and self esteem, which in turn can positively influence your communication style and interactions. To make your appearance impressive, take care of personal hygiene. Find the best hairstyle that suits you. Be self-confident and motivated. Learn to love your life and people who cares for you. Try something new every day for realizing your potential and boosting morale. Dress well, enough to make you feel just short of self-conscious. Most importantly, keep smiling. A positive self-image reflected in appearance can boost confidence and influence how others perceive you. Next video on types of communication.